Is your industrial equipment draining your wallet? Traditional AC fans are inefficient and noisy, dragging down your operational cost. Stop now. To meet the new energy efficiency standards, the LONGWELL EC DC cross-flow fan is the only answer for your HVAC upgrade. First, the revolutionary energy savings. Utilizing DC brushless motors, energy consumption drops by up to 70%, eliminating carbon brush friction loss. The efficiency boost is game-changing, saving huge electricity costs for equipment running 24 hours, 7 days. Lightweight, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy blades ensures continuous, stable, and powerful airflow output. Second, smart and precise. EC cross-flow fan integrates intelligent control capabilities. They support PWM control or 0 to 10 volt stepless speed regulation with the response speed to dynamic thermal load change that is 10 times faster than traditional AC fans. Providing AC power convenience with DC efficiency, it's the ideal transitional solution for upgrading AC to EC. The third part, laboratory-level silence. Thanks to optimized design, DC fans operating noise is as low as 20 decibels, effectively meeting stringent noise requirements in the medical and laboratory settings. One medical client saw a 40% noise reduction. Precise dynamic balancing technology ensures low vibration and long service life. Fourth, multi-scenario applications and ultra-high reliabilities. The CFF's flat structure and uniform laminar airflow make it perfect for ultra-thin fan coil units and air curtains. Unique reversible airflow self-cleaning function extends the maintenance cycle for critical equipment from 6 months to 3 months. Industrial-grade design with a life expectancy up to 100,000 hours, MTBF is 50% higher than the industrial average. Our products comply with global standards. ETL certification is equivalent to UL in North America. Buy with confidence. Stop being troubled by high operational costs. Choosing LONGWELL EC DC cross-flow fan means choosing a future of high-efficiency energy savings and smart control. Contact us now to customize your cross-flow fan solutions.